Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. So I'm here with a unfortunate video that I have to make, but I know I have to do it to share a mistake I made on this Downy deal right here. Yeah. So I did a Kroger video today for the new Buy 5 Save 5 Mega, and I shared a deal on this Downy, and the deal is not valid. Of course, at the time I didn't know that. I assumed it was valid based upon the game deal that I had found, well, that Frankie told me, but he never mentioned Downy, but I just naturally assumed that Downy was going to be included, and it wasn't, and just a long story. So we're just going to get right into it. So if you didn't see my Kroger video today, I shared that the Downy Unstoppables and the Gain Fireworks were 99 cents after printable coupons from the P&G site. The Gain has a $2 printable valid on Gain blah blah blah, and then it says Gain Fireworks 5.7 ounce or higher. This is 5.7 ounces, so the coupon is a match for this. It's good, but this guy is not valid with that coupon. Wendy actually alerted me to this today in the comments. She said that she printed the coupon out and it read 8.6 ounces or larger. And she's right. The more investigation I made, she was right about this. But the Gain coupon just says 5.7 ounce or higher. So I don't really get what's going on with that. And I'm ashamed that I shared this, not looking into it farther. But I was on campus at college for like 7 hours today. That's not a good excuse probably, but I wasn't able to print out that coupon before sharing the deal. I didn't have that coupon printed, and P&G's website is horrible. They are so vague. So Frankie messaged me and said that the Gain, he didn't say the Downy, but he said the Gain was $2.99 with a $2 coupon, so 99 cents. Dumb little me assumed that the Downy would be the same deal. So I just shot them both out there to you guys. I got them both out there, not knowing that the Downy coupon had different stipulations. So I told you, go get your Downy, go get your Gain, and that they were both going to be 99 cents. That is not valid in the eyes of coupon rules. That's not what that coupon says. I'm sorry, is all I really can say. I am devastated that I told you guys to do it. I'm truly devastated. I ran in there to do the participating items video for you all, and I did it. I did the deal. I did this deal today. I did it with that $2 coupon. I'm so ashamed of myself. But it wasn't intentional. I didn't set out to think, I'm going to find a way to scam the coupons. Absolutely not. If you have followed me for any length of time, you know I am 100% ethics, rules, not breaking any of that. So I would never, ever, ever use a coupon on this that wasn't valid intentionally. I am devastated about it. And I'm even more devastated that 2,000 some of you have watched that video and could possibly go do this deal. That is why it was so crucial that I get on here and make this video. I should have been more attentive. I was honestly just in a hurry to get the video done in between classes. It would have probably been better to wait, but I wanted to get you all the deals. And so I made that mistake. And I know a lot of you are going to be like, Nick, it's not a big deal, but it is to me, and I'm probably going to beat myself up over it for a while because I don't ever want you all to do invalid stuff. I'm devastated, to say the least. I'm devastated that I told you all to do something that's not right. So I can only hope that those of you who watch my deals video watch this video, and that you see what the true deal is, and that you should not be doing that. Now, the good news is, another reason why I thought that printable was valid, I saw someone on Instagram posted that we are getting $2 coupons for this on Sunday's paper that are valid for that size. So the deal still is going to happen, but it's just going to be on next Sunday. And so I got to give a special thanks to Wendy for commenting that. She said that she read the coupon and it wasn't valid. Thank you so much for fact checking the deal. Whenever you watch me, I would urge you, fact check it before you do it. Don't just trust. Don't just trust. I gotta practice what I preach. I should have fact checked it and read it. I didn't have access to a printer at the college, so I couldn't print that coupon off, or I would have probably and read it. Their website sucks, like I said, so they don't give good descriptions until you print it. I just jumped the gun and got so excited and just was really excited to get you guys that deal. So I gotta say, I'm so sorry. And I hope y'all don't shut me out now because I made one little mistake. I'm sorry. And I hope that you all don't do that deal. Don't do it. Don't do the Downy with the printable coupon. It's not valid. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all can forgive me. You can definitely go do the game fireworks for 99 cents with your coupon. Thank you to Frankie for that. Frankie didn't say Downy, but my little mind got the Downy going in there. I don't know why I thought Downy would naturally be the same. I mean, it's the same price on the Mega, so I just assumed. But never assume anything in life. Always do your homework, which is what I should have done. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I pray you didn't do it. I hope you didn't do it. And if you know this now, don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you guys so much for watching.